Well, hello everybody. Today I've got the Fuzz Bender by Keeley Electronics. And I'm just going to read here from the pamphlet. Um, see, the Keeley Fuzz Blender is a 3-transistor modern fuzz using a combination of high-gain silicon and smooth-tone germanium. What sets the Fuzz Blender apart is its active EQ using two what is it, gyrators? I don't know what that word means. As an active EQ that gives you the ability to create massive fuzz tones not possible with regular fuzz circuits. Over 20 dB of boost or cut at both 100 and 10K. The stomp box is loaded with the brand new sounds, make it even more unique with all new bias control design, a complex blend that gives you glitchy Velcro ripping sounds. Okay, and that's definitely true. I'm going to get this thing on the pedal board and plug it in, and when I turn it on, you're totally going to see the kind of the weird glitchiness it does. Or I guess actually hear it. It's got this real choppy effect. I don't want to do a spoiler. It's just coming up in a little bit. First thing is to that's what you get in the box. All the controls feel good. There is a little thing I'll get to later. First thing is to get this old fuzz off, and this has been a good fuzz pedal, but it was inexpensive and it really delivers, but it doesn't. There's no tweaking involved. It's just you turn it on and you get the fuzz effect. There's level, but this guy, this is a tweaker's delight here. I just pulled it off the board, pulled that other one off because I've run out of power outlets. It's standard 9-volt negative ground. Oh, now this, it just occurred to me I could take a little piece of Velcro and mark the routing. So that's a little tip for anybody building their own pedal boards. You can put these little signs because I'm using a return and send on my amp, and I just didn't want to get confused on what cable went where. So I'm coming out of the fuzz into the amp, and I'm using a Boss Cantana amp, and I'm going to record it direct in and run it in just simple GarageBand, and what you hear is nothing added to it, just direct in. Oh, I will toward the end. I'll put that tube screamer on so you can hear what that sounds like. So this is just the straight Les Paul DiMarzio pickups straight into the amp, and of course, man, these Boss Cantanas sound great. So here you go.